Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by closing Roblox and heavyweight background programs. This frees RAM and reduces CPU contention. Once done, open Task Manager to spot processes using over 30% CPU or memory and quit them. Next, verify your PC meets Roblox minimums and that you have at least 2 GB free disk space for temp files. Finally, install any pending Windows and GPU driver updates and update the Roblox client so you rule out known bugs before deeper troubleshooting. You now adjust graphics and file integrity. First, set Roblox to use DirectX if available and drop in-game quality to medium or low to reduce GPU strain. Then clear the Roblox cache and temporary system files to remove corrupt assets that freeze the client. Make sure to backup settings before deleting app data. If instability continues, run the Roblox repair tool. When repair fails, fully uninstall Roblox, reboot, and reinstall a fresh client to replace broken binaries and corrupted dependencies. Finish with deeper system and network checks. You should try rolling back or clean installing GPU drivers and set Windows to a high-performance power plan to avoid throttling. Disable Discord, Steam, or OBS overlays and temporarily turn off VPNs or bandwidth limiters because they can cause packet stalls that crash Roblox. Test on wired Ethernet to rule out Wi-Fi issues. If problems persist, perform a clean boot to isolate third-party conflicts. That single step often reveals the culprit and lets you restore normal play.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.